my name's Janelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my spring sewing plans as well as a bit of a haul of my recent fabric finds. I find these in between seasons the most inspiring time to get sewing, and I'm so excited to make some new clothes for my wardrobe for the warmer months. So without further ado, let me show you some of the things I have planned to make this spring. So here is the pile of fabrics that I have recently purchased. So I guess I'll just jump in and start showing you what I have planned for each of these fabrics. Like always, I have made a trusty folder on my Instagram in my save section called sewing plans. So I'm going to show you kind of a bit of a picture of what I'm hoping to make with these fabrics. I love doing this, making folders on Instagram. It's like my favorite thing to do and I've got so many. So let's hop into the sewing plans folder. The first fabric I'll show you is this adorable polka dot crepe fabric. I'm going to try and link all the fabrics I can down below if you'd like to purchase any for yourself. I bought 1.5 meters of this one and I'm going to make myself a ruffled blouse. I have a ruffled blouse that I purchased probably 2-3 years ago and I wear it to death and I still wear it. So I'm gonna try and replicate that blouse a little bit, but with a few more ruffled details. This one here by Rachel Burke, or iMakestagram, who is just killing it, by the way. Does anyone else follow her? She's on fire. I absolutely love everything she makes. Anyway, I saw this blouse she wore a couple of years ago and I fell in love with it, and I kind of want to replicate this blouse design with the polka dot fabric that I've got here. I really love the ruffled neckline that this one has, and I love the ruffled detail along the front as well. So that is what I'm gonna hope to recreate with this polka dot crepe fabric. Next we have this beautiful burnt orange cotton fabric. I kind of just want to make a really wearable gathered dress with this fabric, something that will be perfect for summer to just throw on every day. Basically, I just want an everyday basic beautiful dress to wear, and I'm kind of basing the design off this one here. This photo is by Noelle and Fox. I've mentioned her in my videos before. I absolutely love her Instagram feed. She is just beautiful and her style is just completely up my street, and everything she posts I would love to wear as well. So I get a lot of inspiration from her. This is the dress here, just something really basic and simple but just stunning, and I love how this one's made from linen, it looks like, and I think cotton will have a very similar look. Like, I don't mind the crinkle look. If it gets a bit crumpled, I'm not going to stress out about it too much. I just want it to be something really easy and wearable, and cotton's nice and breathable in the warmer months as well, so there's that added bonus. Next I have this beautiful cotton gingham fabric. I love gingham, as you can see. With this one I'm hoping to make a really nice dress, either something really simple or something a little bit more dressy up. I haven't decided yet. I've got two options here that I'm looking at. This one here is just a beautiful layered dress with a kind of flared sleeve. It's a little bit dressed up, but it's still quite casual, and I think would be a really nice one for summer. I've decided I'm definitely going to be making a dress with the tiered skirt with this gingham. I think that would look really, really cool. I'm either thinking that or maybe just a tiered dress with a more simple bodice without sleeves like this one. I just think it's just timeless and something that would be nice and cool for summer. So yeah, I'm probably leaning more towards this, something very simple at the top and then with a more tiered skirt down the bottom. I think, yeah, is something I would love to add to my wardrobe. And the gingham fabric, yeah, would just create a really timeless, beautiful dress, I think. Next I have these two embroidered cottons. I'm hoping with these ones to make a really cute cropped top to wear with like high-waisted jeans or high-waisted skirts, things like that. This is the image I saw that I fell in love with. I just think it looks really simple, and again on those really hot summer days I think it would be something really nice to just wear with a high-waisted skirt, just really easy. I'm going to be hopefully making a tutorial on how to make these when I make mine as well, so stay tuned for that. This next one is something a little bit different for me. It's this kind of pebbled polka dot rayon fabric in this really light peach color. I don't usually wear peach. My skin's a bit too peachy to wear it, I think, and it kind of washes me out. But I think this one's light enough for me to get away with. With this one, I am again going to make a ruffled dress for summer. Very similar to the style I showed before. A bit more like this, I think, is what it will look like. If you can see, there's a ruffled bit at the bottom of the dress kind of midi length as well, I think would look really nice. And the simple pebble design of this fabric I think would look really nice with a dress like that. Really simple, but you kind of need a bit of a more simple styled dress when you've got a busy fabric like this, but I think it would look really cute. Next, damn it, this is really hard. The next fabric I have is actually left over from when I made my cord pants in the very first, I think it was the first, Creating an Ethical Wardrobe video that I made. I had some leftover cord from that project and I'm gonna make myself a cute little mini skirt out of this cord. This one will be a good one for spring when it's still a little bit chilly. With a pair of tights, I think that would look really cool. So yeah, kind of similar to this cute skirt here. And with the polka dot blouse that I'm making, the ruffled blouse, I think it would look really cool together paired with that and a pair of boots. Then I've got this secondhand piece of gingham fabric, another gingham, surprise, surprise, that I've picked up recently. With this one, I'm hoping to make a really simple wrap dress. Wrap dresses are something I've been wanting to get into for a while now. I love my wrap skirts that I make and I just love how easy they are to put on. Especially in summertime when you're like wearing bathers underneath your clothes and going to the beach all the time. I think a wrap dress would just be ideal to just throw back on as soon as you're out of the water. So I don't really have a pattern made for it yet, but I'm gonna draft my own and then start selling them on rosaryapparel.com. So yeah, let me know if you're keen for that. This is just a fabric that I've picked up that I know I'm gonna make a wrap dress from. And hopefully when I've collected a few, I'll be able to have a little collection of wrap dresses available from my website. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And then the last fabric I have is this massive piece of velvet in this lovely, like, embossed design. I don't know, what's it called again? Embroidered? I actually bought this one to make myself a coat out of. And I know, winter is done, isn't it? But I'm actually going to be going to Japan in January and it's still going to be freezing cold there. And I've been wanting to make myself a coat for such a long time, and when I saw this, I just had to pick it up. I love the colour and the design of the fabric. I think it will make a beautiful coat. I actually saw Alice Nightingale made some coats from these fabrics, but in a few different colours, and they look beautiful. If she still has any available, I'll leave a link to them down below because they're, yeah, beautiful, and you should definitely support her if you can. I haven't really made a coat before though, so hopefully it's not going to be too difficult and I'll be fine and I'm not going to muck it up and waste the fabric, but it's good to give these things a go, I guess. And at least if I make it in spring, I'll have a lovely coat ready for when I go to Japan. I hope you enjoyed a little look into my spring sewing plans. Let me know down below in the comments what you're most excited to see. Be sure to come find me on Instagram at Rosary Apparel and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see some of the making process and behind the scenes of me making the items mentioned in this video, as well as my next installment of my Creating an Ethical Wardrobe series, which I'm so excited to share with you soon. Have a lovely day and thanks for watching.